There is a flat cable for the border. Then for this border, it also has a flat cable. We need to pull it out with our fingers. Pull to this length. Then there is a lid. We put it. Open it gently. This lid is a foldable lid. Then we will wire this. Both side up. Plug in. Gently insert. Plug it in and cover it. That's good. Then we push it back. Push it back slowly. After pushing back. Under the trunking. Then stick it on the slot. Buckle. After buckling, we use this hexagon. Insert into this screw hole. Tighten clockwise. 2 screws to tighten it. After tightening, this location already fixed. The other is the same and so on. Then install all the cables. Ground wire and that metal, just fix it. This is ground wire. Just connect the ground wire to the metal frame. Here it is. The head is connected to a USB port of the computer via extension cord.